200 votes enye. Honorable Frank there 200 votes enye. Of the political round with me, the voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. We there will for a breaking news. Breaking news. We can confirm as at this moment that Nsawam-Adoagyiri, the member of parliament elect, is Anodomprey Frank. Frank Anodomprey. Frank Anodomprey is a current MP that is there, and he's an MPP member. Mbekaya, the counting was brought to a halt. As I say, some NDC members wanted to bring confusion and giddy there, and so the Electoral Commission brought the counting to a halt. But as it stands now, we can confirm to you, say Frank Anodomprey is a MP elect for Nsawam-Adoagyiri. Now, margin we are very tight, but margin we are very tight. Now, Frank Anodomprey won by 50.18%. Frank Anodomprey won by 50.18%. Fume Philibert Amenope. Fume Philibert Amenope. NDC for PC no. Also onya 49.82. Now, in terms of votes, Frank Anodomprey 29,640 votes. Frank Anodomprey 29,640 votes. And Philip Nsu, and I said Fume Philibert also got 29,433 votes. So basically just about 200 votes. Just about 200 votes difference, and that is very tight. Very tight. Looking at how tight the thing is, you can understand why NDC was doing everything possible to subvert the will of the people. Benjamin Chade, now we can confirm that the official Electoral Commission result makes Frank Anodomprey the member of parliament elect for Nsawam-Adoagyiri. Now, Uko Obuasi East. Obuasi East, we can confirm say Patrick Boache Yadom, MPP for parliamentary candidate, is the officially elected member of parliament for Obuasi East. Obuasi East result. Now Patrick Boache Yadom has won by 49.46%. Patrick Boache Yadom has won by 49.46%. Now Samuel Abuaji, NDC4 candidate, also got 49.41%. We a very tight race. Very tight race. Now others also in independent for other parties also almost pulling 424 votes. Now Ukoma Patrick Boache Yadom got 18,558 votes. He got 18,558 votes. Now the NDC member NDC PC onya 18,529 votes. And so this is just about 20 votes difference. 20 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. Just about 20 votes difference. 20 neutral people and so 20. 19 votes difference. 19 votes. That's what determines somebody winning, somebody losing. It's very tight. And you catch them who say, these are some of the reasons. That's 19 votes. So MPP could have lost this seat. If not that God has helped us, it means those 19 votes, we could have lost this seat. And that is the reason why you saw that NDC was very aggressive. Quality result because now them say they have lost by 19 votes. Now also lose it by 19 votes. I say, yeah. And MP to aba. And it's any human institution. There are people who will step on your toes. People, by all means, step on your toes. That's the human institution, because we are all coming from different places, different backgrounds, different ideologies, different trainings. But we are all building a nation. and build the nation, no, and him said the person with the superior idea, no, is the MPP. About when you put NDC manifesto and I say NDC ideology, socialist ideologies, and MPP's ideologies, you know, say for Ghana to move forward, no, the person who move the nation forward is indeed MPP. And to MPP near, you don't have to watch internal issues. Say, oh, where I me say, oh no, but where I me say, miko share we, me san kanenti, misu miko tuabano. 19 votes. 19 votes. We'll have lost Obuasi East. And imagine we had lost Obuasi East. Imagine the things they will have, the people there will have lost over the next 4 years. Nsawam-Adoagyiri. I dare be brea. The way Frank Adoagyiri has worked hard and tirelessly and has brought Nsawam-Adoagyiri on the map of Ghana. Say Juma Bebre inquire why yamam. You will make this race so tight. Say just about 200 votes that will separate Frank Adoagyiri from the NDC candidate. He can afford a day. The way things are going, what we are trying to tell politicians, and they say maybe they don't have to work hard for the constituency. What they are supposed to do is say keep money so that when it's election year, you go and pay people, sort people out, and the nation will not progress that way. Ghana will not progress with that with the kind of foundation we are laying, and it's very bad. But we are happy. Congratulations to Honorable Frank Adoagyiri. We shall be seeing him in the 9th Parliament, as it stands now on majority whip. And so to see him in the next Parliament, no, there are people who have experience. He has been in Parliament since 2013, right? So I think this is about the 3rd or the 4th time, his 4th time in Parliament. So congratulations to him. And we stand with the MPP fraternity in Nsawam-Adoagyiri. We are always with you. We will be there to support you every step of the way. We will be there to support you. And then also Obuasi East, congratulations to the MPP there. But this is a clarion call on all of us that we must work hard. We must work hard. Because in 2028, we don't want such close margins. Debbie. Because the moment you have such close margins, you give the NDC the room to misbehave. And then this is so more room to misbehave there. They will use it and abuse it. So 2028, we will work to ensure we widen the gaps. 19 votes there. 19 votes there. 200 votes there. Honorable Frank there. 200 votes there. Papa no abod jumapa, abod modin. This has been the political round with me, The Voice. This was the breaking news. And then to bring to you quickly that it is confirmed Nsawam-Adoagyiri is blue, Obuasi East is blue. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye bye, cheers.